A lot of people think I'm against using Apple Reminders because of the GTD dashboard, and that's not true. I use Apple Reminders all the time, particularly when I'm away from my computer where I have easy and quick access to my dashboard, because I can very quickly set little reminders for, maybe a next action, maybe a resource, etc. So, and then in my morning review, I go through those reminders. I don't have them set to pop up and notify me. I decide when I'm going to go through them, and that is in the morning. And sometimes more than just one time, but for sure in the morning, because I'm going through my morning review, which I'll pop over here. So this is very zoomed in for the video, but here's one for today. I already did a bunch of these. I'm starting to go through my inboxes, and that is what Apple Reminders is for me. It's an inbox. So I had a reminder here to set width to 100% plus 1 pixel. If I wouldn't go through this every day, if I'd only go through this once a month, I probably would not know what that was about. But because it was yesterday, I know exactly what it's about. So I'm just gonna, not do that. I'm gonna copy it and then add it to my next action within a project. So I know what project it's part of. It's part of the web design, and it's for launching the PWI website. So I'm just going to create a new next action. I'm on the next actions tab here, and I'm just going to paste that in. So set width to 100% plus 1 pixel. Now I'm going to open that up. I'm actually going to set the deadline. I'm going to do that today. I want it to show up in my today's next actions list, and I'm going to add maybe a little more details here. So set width to 100% plus 1 pixel. I'm going to say to fix overflow issue. And I don't need to add any more details to that. I'm going to make it an MIT because I want to take care of it, first thing this morning. So I'm going to close this, go back up to my reminders again, so I can check that as done, get out of my reminders list, and then send Kyle Starlink Wi-Fi. I did that already. Mark that as done. I do need to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm not going to put it in my next actions. I'm just going to do it real quickly on my phone. And then here was 30-second video ideas. So I'm just going to copy this, copy that, and then put that also in a project. So that is in a different project here under this project resources. I had some training video ideas. I'm just going to post it in here. I'm actually going to make a separate list and paste that in. I don't want that to be a numbered list. I want it to be bullet point list, so bullet point list, and I'm going to mention 30-second video ideas, just so it's separate from the other video ideas. So now I can go back to my reminders again, mark this is done, and in a second I'll mark this is done too as soon as I do that. So I use Apple Reminders all the time. It's very quick and easy when I'm away from my computer, just to talk to Siri and just tell it remind me to X. And then in my morning review, I'll go through those reminders and get them out of that inbox, clear out that inbox, so that I know what I have to work on and things are organized. So hope this was helpful. Have a great day.